It is a rainy morning. The sky is gray, and the sound of rain is soft and calm. Emma wakes up and hears the rain outside her window. She smiles and thinks, maybe I can stay at home today. She stands up slowly and goes to the kitchen. The floor feels cold, so she puts on her warm slippers. She opens the window a little. Cool air comes in, and she can smell the fresh rain. Emma turns on the kettle and makes a cup of tea. She watches the small drops of water fall from the sky. The sound makes her feel peaceful. She takes her tea and goes to the living room. There is a big window there. Outside, she sees people walking with umbrellas. Some cars move slowly on the wet road. Emma sits on the sofa and opens her favorite book. It's a story about a girl who travels around the world. Emma loves stories like this. They make her dream. After reading for a while, she feels a little hungry. She goes to the kitchen again and makes some pancakes. The smell of pancakes fills the room. She adds honey and some banana slices on top. While eating, she listens to quiet music. The rain outside and the music together sound perfect. Then Emma takes her phone and texts her best friend, Lily. Hi, Lily. It's raining a lot today. What are you doing? Lily replies, I'm watching a movie and drinking coffee. Emma smiles and writes, That sounds nice. I'm reading and eating pancakes. They send funny emojis to each other. Emma feels happy that even on a rainy day, she can connect with her friend. After lunch, she takes a short nap. The rain is still falling, and the sound helps her relax. She dreams that she is walking in a green forest, where the rain shines on the leaves. When she wakes up, the sky looks brighter. The rain is almost gone. Emma opens the window again. She feels the cool air on her face and takes a deep breath. She looks outside. The trees look clean and fresh. The world feels new again after the rain. Emma takes her notebook and writes, Today was quiet but beautiful. Sometimes the best days are the simple ones at home. She closes her notebook and turns on her lamp. She makes one last cup of tea and watches the evening sky. A rainbow slowly appears in the distance. Emma smiles and whispers, Even rainy days can be beautiful.